And you just quit on us on the freeway. What is up, guys? Welcome to the next day in the vlog. As you guys can see, we're back in the old Bentley right now. This thing is absolutely amazing. It's so smooth to drive and comfortable, and I just can't hate on it, you know what I mean? So right now, we're super low on gas because I didn't want to pay for gas last night. We have a Vaughn's return. I want to shower because I feel so gross. I don't know if you guys ever feel like that or if this is TMI, but like, you guys ever just like wake up and you feel super gross? Like, that's just how I feel right now. A wonderful creation of our generation. Perhaps I can wake you with a little persuasion. Pulling up to Vaughn's right now, and then I have to do the embarrassing thing of returning a pineapple juice. Now you guys might be wondering why I'm returning a pineapple juice. That's not for your concern. But on the bright side, it's cold, so they should take it back.
A few minutes later.
We just made that return. Thankfully, it wasn't too hard. They're super easy. There's a guy named Edward in there who was in charge of everything. He just made everything super smooth and easy. This gas light's been on since last night, and I've driven on it totally like 30 miles, so hopefully I don't run out because I don't want to put gas in this baby. So I didn't realize how low on gas we are. We're literally... And you just quit on us on the freeway. Luckily, there's a Chevron right there, so I'm just gonna... No power steering it. Oh my gosh, that was so... Okay. We're going for this. And nobody can stop me. Okay. We are not doing that again. Oh, now we're in park. Lucky us. Let's get some gas in this thing.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I literally just coasted into that gas station, put 20 bucks in this thing. Gates opening up, we finally got here. I think we're gonna whip up into a new car and we're gonna go from there, but yeah. So, before it gets super loud, like water's coming in here from something. I don't even understand why. So it's dripping down there. So hopefully it doesn't do that. And it doesn't sound like that back window closes all the way, but it literally doesn't even work. The button doesn't work, so I don't know. We're just gonna have to hope that it works. Today is the day I'll make you mine. The sun is rising over the hay. As you guys can tell, we're whipping the Bentley right now. This thing's honestly a boat in my opinion. I don't really like these cars. They're just so slow. They're clunky and I don't know. Bentleys in general, I just don't like. Maybe it's because I'm not a muscle car guy and I'm more of an import guy. And like, you give me anything turbo and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love this. But then you give me anything with just hardcore muscle and I'm just like, I don't know. It just makes me leaving wanting more. Maybe that's improper to say, but that's just how I feel. So right now we're taking it to the car wash. Oh, here comes the twisters of torture, the scratchinators. Oh, that little amount of soap is what's gonna protect it. Oh, I feel so happy now. At least it smells good in here. I guess that's a bonus. Alright, so we just got back in the old Bentley. We picked up the other Bentley, got them to the car wash. Now we need to go to the gas station because this car is still on empty. And then we're going to Vaughn's. You gonna say hi to Carlos? Say hi, Carlos.
What's up?
You gonna say something, anything about you? Anything
yeah.
you wanna say to your subscriber fans?
Max, he's the guy, right here.
I am a guy.
He's the funniest person ever.
This is a G-rated channel, so no cussing.
Yeah, it's the funniest.
55, right? Let's see. We were on like empty before. 55 bucks. It's not even at halfway. Dude, that's $55. It's not even at halfway still. That's crazy. So it stopped at 85, and then we just put another 69 bucks in it. So that's 85 plus 69 is, drum roll,
$154.
54. Oof, my gosh. $154.
That's so stupid because not even a normal car fills up with $85 at this point.
That's so horrible. Oh my gosh. And granted, this has to be 91 too because it's an old car. Oh, I'm just, that hurts. Okay.
It'll be gone in very soon anyway.
Well, it lasts like 300 miles. That's the bonus. But still, it's 150 for 300 miles. You have to think about the cost. It's ridiculous. Stupid. Ridiculous. So, we just went to Vaughn's. I totally just got Pops and cereal. I'm totally a child, so you can't hate on it. So, today we're going to take
the Jeep because everyone wants to see my Jurassic Park Jeep, and then it'll be rented for like another month. So it's been a minute since I've driven this Jeep, honestly, because it's rented so much. It's actually going to be rented for like the next month, almost straight. So that's kind of cool. I'm really stoked about this. I just did 2 different little mods that you guys are going to love, maybe, hopefully. So I just added this little dinosaur to chase the Jeep in the corner of the vehicle. And then I just got, check it out, JP18 for my keys. So Jeep 18 is a Jurassic Park reference, in case you guys don't know. Look at that, it starts up just like butter. So I'm gonna end it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, which I know you guys haven't because only like 0.9 of you guys are subscribed. Come on, we can do better than that. All right, without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. And with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.